Building a website for your internet cafe shouldn't be complicated and it shouldn't be too expensive either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to build a simple and affordable website for your internet cafe. Let's jump in. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video today, you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. Mighty Sites is pretty much the easiest way to launch a website. It's an easy to use website generator for small businesses. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple. Absolutely no coding is required. Now, it's really affordable compared to the other website builders on the market. It's only going to cost you $9 a month for a simple website for your internet cafe, and there is a free trial available for 7 days, so be sure to click on the link below this video to get started with it. You don't even have to put your credit card details in. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. Now, as you can see here, we've literally got hundreds of markets to choose from for various small businesses. Let's head to the top and search for our market, internet cafe. There it is over there. You also have the option to select the general retail store or service business template. Great. Let's Mighty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, city and state or region that you're operating from. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We literally have hundreds of happy customers from all around the world. Now, once you click that continue button, Mighty Sites will work its magic and generate a website for your business, do all the hard work, and bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. Let's close that off for today because I'm going to be the one to show you how easy it is to make any changes to your brand new websites. The great thing about Mighty Sites, which makes us a little bit different from other website builders, is we've actually pre-written all the content for you specific to an internet cafe and pre-selected all the images as well specific to an internet cafe too. You don't need to make really any changes to it unless you want to make it a bit more personalized. Of course, we pretty much wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your business. So maybe you don't have an internet cafe, you're just checking out this video. No matter which market you select, it will literally have pre-written content, pre-selected images specific to that market. Let me show you how easy it is to make any changes. I'm going to click on the first section at the top. Over here, you can put in a few basic details like your email address. You want to make sure that that's visible for your customers if they want to reach out. Your phone number is click to call, and physical location when your website's live, your customers can click on that address. Top left-hand corner be taken directly to Google Maps. Over here is where you can put in your social media platforms for your business. Once you've done that, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your new website. Now, if you've got a business logo already, head on over to the next section over here to upload it. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can crop it or rotate it, make minor edits to it by clicking on the little pencil icon. Here on the right is where you can resize your logo. You can make it bigger and smaller. To change the colors used throughout your new website, click on that paint icon. There are so many color palettes to choose from. For the sections you'd like to change the images, maybe those call to action buttons, or you need to just click on that handy button. Over here, you have the option to upload your own images or search through the photo library. Literally got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. Or you can now connect your Instagram accounts as well. Maybe you have a profile and you want to pull in those photos with a click of a button. Underneath update the action here on the left, we have the call to action buttons. You can change the text on the buttons where they're linked to. You could even upload a PDF file maybe with your different rates and packages for your internet cafe services. In the last section, your customers can easily reach out to you via the lead generation form. Now, if you've already purchased a custom domain for your internet cafe, that was a super smart move because having a custom domain for your business website definitely makes it look more professional, trustworthy, and stand out from all your local competitors. If you've already purchased a custom domain, you absolutely can connect it. Click on that button at the bottom, connect your domain. So I already have a domain, set it up. Mighty Sites makes use of entry, which makes connecting your domain super simple. You also have the option to purchase a custom domain via the Mighty Sites platform as well. I really hope this short overview video was helpful in building a simple and affordable website on Mighty Sites for your internet cafe. Really wishing in your business Mighty success. If you have any questions about the platform, you want to know anything more about the features, you're unsure of anything, pop your questions down below. I'll be happy to answer them. All the best.